Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 ingredients no-bake fudgy brownies. They're brownies made with only 3 ingredients and they're no-bake. They're super easy to make and they're also naturally vegan and gluten-free. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, line an 8-inch square pan with parchment paper, letting it hang over the edges for easy removal. And set it aside for now. The first ingredient is almond butter. You can use any nut butter you like, or for a nut-free option, you can use sunflower seed butter. If your nut butter is all natural with no added ingredients other than salt, you have to stir it really well since oil separation occurs. Measure it out and add it into a medium mixing bowl. And add in the maple syrup and cocoa powder. And mix them until they're well combined. And that's it. That's the batter. Pour it into the prepared pan. Spread and press it all over until it's even. Cover it in plastic wrap. And place it into the fridge for about 30 minutes until it's set, and keep it refrigerated until you're ready to serve it. When it's well chilled, remove it from the fridge. Use the parchment paper to lift them out of the pan. And cut them into bars and serve. And that's how to make 3 ingredients no-bake fudgy brownies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.